Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I just want to show you a bug that's in the new Antigravity IDE that prevents us from using the agent's own term. So if you don't understand what I'm saying here, let me just show you what's the actual issue first. Suppose I have the chat open here, and if I ask, I just want you to check the Python version installed on my system only using the terminal. So this is my instruction. If I send this instruction directly to the board, as you can see, it will just hang in this terminal without showing the actual output, right? So this is actually hanging. So if you are facing this issue, then let me show you how I figured it out and how I resolve this issue. So the main issue is there is like a small UI bug. If you click on this gear icon here and click on open Antigravity IDE user settings here, you can see the UI shows I have like full access, right? But if you look here, you can see the settings cannot be changed while you are in strict mode. That means I am actually in the strict mode, right? But the UI tend to highlight I am in full access mode. So even if you look at the settings here, you might easily find everything looks normal, but actually you are in strict mode, right? So what you need to do is click on full access. Now, as you can see, these options are now enabled, right? So now if I close it and again just close the app and open it again, and if I ask the same question again, let me ask it. I just want you to look at the Python version that's installed on my system using only the terminal. So this time if it send that request, it should work. Now as you can see, the terminal is actually working, and we got the output. The terminal output shows that you have Python 3.11.9 installed on our system. So this is the simple and easy fix. I hope you like this video. If you want me to create more videos like this, please do like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.